Ruth Otabo, the younger sister of BBNaija season 7 winner Phyna, has undergone a leg amputation surgery after she was involved in an accident with a Dangote truck and her bike. She had just finished her final exams 6 days before the tragedy struck on Wednesday. And you can imagine how devastated Phyna was. She went on live and called out Dangote Group, saying that the matter would not be swept under the carpet. And this issue caused significant outrage online. In fact, a lot of persons gave their experience or shared their experiences of how someone who they knew or who they were connected to was involved in an accident with a Dangote truck. Now, the driver of this truck in question was not just underage, he was unlicensed, and this was confirmed by the Edo State Police Command. So this issue has been going on not just in Auchi Poly for decades, but also in places like Federal University Lokoja, where these trucks happen to pass. And the call has been for the government to ensure or to set laws banning the movement of truck drivers in public places, in public spaces, or in residential spaces at day, at noon. In fact, these trucks should only move at night when everyone, almost everyone, is in their houses. And so even though Dangote Group has responded saying that it would cover some of the medical bills and also give compensation, it still stands that Ruth Otabo's life has been changed forever. Her other leg is also at risk of being amputated, and this is excluding the issues with her hand and also her head. We at the News Chronicle wish Ruth Otabo speedy recovery. She is in our prayers. And so, my name is Esther Salami with the News Chronicle. Please make sure to like this video and share it with your community. And I will see you next Friday.